So you can tell us a little bit more about your franchise opportunity. Tell us a little bit more about the investment level to get started. And what's the return on investment? How much can they make by running a franchise?
Hi, yes. According to the IBIS report, the #1 residential cleaning franchise industry. So we've been franchising for over 30 years. We have over 220 locations in the US and a couple in Canada. So of course, it's always nice to know that they're going to be latching on to that proven business model, established brand recognition. We really provide our franchisees support in all avenues. Our top 3, I would say, are we do 100% of the marketing for our franchise owners, so that way they can focus on the day-to-day operations of the business. We provide them with proprietary technology to ensure the most efficient day-to-day for them as the franchise owners. And we, of course, give initial comprehensive training as well as ongoing training and support throughout their entire ownership.
That's great. And tell us a little bit more about the investment level to get started.
Absolutely. So we have 2 different markets that they can choose from, hometown or enterprise market. So on the low end, they'll be looking to invest about $150, on the high end, $200,000, all in year 1.
And what's the return on investment? How much can they make by running a franchise?
Absolutely. So gross revenue numbers, franchise disclosure document. If you're bare bones average, you should be grossing $1.3 million per year. And if you're in our top third, you should be grossing $2.4 million per year.
Incredible. Congratulations on all the success. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.